Hey, Anna, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm really hungry. I didn't eat much today.
Same here. I'm very hungry too.
So, where should we eat?
Look over there. Do you see that place?
Oh, I see it. It's KFC. I love their chicken.
Me too. It smells so good. So today, let's try something new.
What do you mean?
Let's order in English.
In English, at KFC, are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. It's a great way to practice English.
I feel a little nervous.
That's okay. I will help you.
What if I make a mistake?
That's totally fine. Mistakes are part of learning.
And what if they don't understand me?
Don't worry. Staff are friendly and helpful.
Okay, I will try.
Great. That's the right attitude. Let's go inside.
Wow, it's busy here.
Yes, KFC is very popular.
I see the menu on the screen.
Yes, let's read it together.
There are so many choices. I don't know where to start.
Don't worry. Let's start simple. Can you read some of the words on the menu?
I see chicken, burgers, fries, drinks.
Good. Those are the main items.
What about this word combo? What does that mean?
A combo is a meal with chicken, a side, and a drink.
Oh, like a full meal.
Exactly. Some restaurants say combo and some say meal. They mean the same thing.
That's easy to understand.
Now let's learn how to order.
Yes, please teach me.
You can say, "Can I get?"
Can I get? Okay.
For example, "Can I get a chicken combo?"
Can I get a chicken combo?
Perfect.
Is there another way?
Yes, you can say, "I'll have."
I'll have a chicken combo.
Very good. Both are correct.
Which one should I use?
You can use either one.
Okay, I think I can try.
Are you ready?
I'm nervous, but yes.
I'm right here.
Okay, let's do it.
Hello, welcome to KFC. What would you like?
Hi, can I get an original chicken combo, please?
Sure. What size would you like? We have small, medium, or large.
Medium, please.
Great. What side would you like? You can choose coleslaw, corn salad, fries, or mashed potatoes.
Oh, I can choose a side. Which one is popular?
The corn salad is very popular. A lot of people love it.
Okay, I'll have the corn salad, please.
Great choice. And what drink would you like?
What drinks do you have?
We have cola, lemon tea, orange juice, ginger ale, and iced coffee.
I'll have a cola, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. And for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay. Your total is $11.30. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Sure. Please tap or insert your card here. Perfect. Thank you. Your order number is 18. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Great job, Anna.
Really? I was so nervous. My hands were shaking a little.
But you didn't make any mistakes. You did really well. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. That means a lot. But it was easier than I thought.
See, simple English works.
I feel proud of myself.
You should be.
The food looks so good.
Let's eat.
Wow, it's so good. The chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. I love it.
I'm glad you like it. The corn salad looks good too.
Yes, it's fresh and sweet. This is really tasty. I'm so happy right now.
Me too.
Sam, do KFC menus change in different countries?
Yes, they do.
Really? How are they different? Tell me more.
In some countries, KFC has rice meals.
Rice with chicken. That sounds nice.
Yes, especially in Asian countries, rice is very popular at KFC. And in America, they have something called biscuits as a side dish.
Biscuits, like sweet cookies?
Not exactly. American biscuits are different. They're soft and fluffy like bread, and they're a little salty, not sweet.
Oh, that sounds really interesting. I want to try that someday.
You should. They are really good with butter and honey.
That's interesting. Food changes with culture.
Exactly. That's what makes it so interesting.
Sam, I'm going to order more food to take home.
Good idea. Can I watch how you order?
Of course.
Hello again. What would you like?
Hi, I'd like to order to go.
Sure.
Can I get a 6-piece chicken, please?
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, 2 large fries. Can I also get 2 large fries?
Got it. Would you like any drinks with that?
Yes, please. 1 large cola.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $12.70.
Here's my card.
Please tap your card right here. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, we got everything. How do you feel now, Anna?
I feel great. That was easy to understand. I'm so happy that I ordered by myself today.
You should be really proud of yourself. You did an amazing job.
I learned a lot today. Thank you, Sam.
Simple English is enough. Let's review key phrases from today. The first phrase is, can I get? This is the most useful phrase for ordering food.
Right, like, can I get a chicken combo or can I get a large cola?
Exactly. You can use it for anything you want to order. The second phrase is, I'll have.
I'll have fries or I'll have a sandwich. Both phrases work at any restaurant, right?
Yes, both work at any fast food restaurants and at regular restaurants too.
Okay.
What about for here or to go?
For here means eat here. To go means takeaway.
Exactly. And anything else?
It means do you want more? Then I say, no, that's all.
Great job. You remembered everything. And how did you feel about the whole experience?
Honestly, it was much easier than I expected. I was really scared before we started, but it was totally fine.
That's great.
I feel more confident now. English is easier than I thought.
Yes, just practice every day.
I will. Next time we try another place.
Yes, maybe pizza next time.
Sounds fun. We can learn even more useful phrases there.
I can't wait. This is so much fun. See you next time.
Bye.